The next thing is going to be financial management. Financial management, it's still the way it is. You're going to have additional materials coming in. And so the topics that were eliminated from public sector accounting and finance, most of them have found themselves in the financial management. So you're still going to have your working capital management, risk management issues, investment appraisal. You're going to have sources of finance, cost of capital. All of these things are still going to be in the exam hall, are still in the syllabus when it comes to financial management. But in addition to these, you are going to be seeing PIFA coming in here. You're going to be seeing public procurement also in financial management. You're going to see public-private partnership arrangement also in financial management. And this is under financing decisions, because as I said earlier, the objective of this syllabus is to really integrate public sector in every aspect of the syllabus. So almost every subject is going to be having something relating to public sector and how you are supposed to deal with it. So for financial management, everything you know already, or every understanding that probably you have previously in respect of management accounting, is still valid. They are all there. But there is an additional material in respect of public sector when it comes to PIFA, when it comes to public procurement, and then public-private partnership arrangements. This is what you must understand in respect of financial management. The next subject is financial reporting. Now, largely, financial reporting is still the way you know it to be. Yes, consolidation is there, question 1. Yes, question 2, we're going to have a dedicated question on the accounting standards. So all the accounting standards pretty relevant. Question 3, single entity financial statement, preparation of the profit or loss, statement of changes in equity, statement of financial position. Yes, the cash flow statement is there, and then the preparation of a simple value added statement. So all of these are still relevant in the financial reporting syllabus. Then you come to the issues about ethics, issues in respect of evaluation of financial statements, calculating various ratios and interpreting the ratios. All of these still available in the financial reporting syllabus. Just a few things that you need to understand will be sustainability issues, because it's a key theme in the syllabus. So some sustainability issues introduced, and then also Ghana's corporate governance code and the provisions in the Companies Act 2019 relating to governance. So these are just some theory areas that have been added, but largely is going to be the same. So these are just some theories added or written issues added in the financial reporting syllabus that you need to be aware of. But everything else that you know about financial reporting, that you have heard about financial reporting, is still in the syllabus the way it is supposed to be. So the next thing is management accounting. Now, management accounting is one of the subjects that is seen give and take a significant change, because a key topic which was in the previous syllabus, investment appraisal, is no longer in management accounting under the new syllabus. And so now we don't have investment appraisal in management accounting, but the other things are still there. So you're going to be having your issues about short-term decisions, make or buy, shutdown, relevant costing, break-even analysis, budgeting and budgetary control, issues in respect of variance analysis, performance measurement, question 1 issues, divisionalization, transfer pricing. All of those things are still available in the syllabus, but there is an introduction of a 15% area, which is the role of the management accountant in the public sector. And so we are going to be looking at how management accountants appraise projects in the public sector and the roles of the management accountants in the public sector. And that is 15% as per the syllabus weighing. All other issues are the same. So there is no investment appraisal, but there is an introduction of the role of the management accountant in the public sector. The next thing is principles of taxation. Principles of taxation is also going to be the same. Now, this subject is a subject that most people are exempted from, because largely many people are coming in with their first degree, and so they are exempted from audit and assurance and principles of taxation. But if you are going to be writing the principles of taxation examination under the new syllabus, it's largely the same issue. However, there is an introduction of a 15% weighing content on information technology and ethical issues in taxation. So this is a 15% area that has been added to the material in principles of taxation that you need to know about when it comes to what is going to be covered under the new syllabus. So in the exam hall for principles of taxation, you are likely to have some questions about information technology and ethical issues in taxation, which is going to be ranging between either 5 to 10 marks in the exam hall, depending on the structure of the exam and the goal of the examiner for each examination diet. So principles of taxation also, that is what we are seeing. Everything is the same, just that there is an additional 15% weighing as per the syllabus relating to information technology and ethical issues in taxation. Again, this is going back to another key theme in the syllabus, which is technology, and also the issue about professional skepticism, because it is important that the students understand how to apply technology in taxation and also know how to exercise professional judgment when it comes to providing advice and making recommendations to clients in respect of tax issues. And so that is why this is a crucial aspect that has been introduced in the principles of taxation syllabus to help students have an introduction of these things, because they are going to be increased a little when it comes to advanced taxation in the level 3. But that is what you must understand when it comes to principles of taxation. Now, the next subject that we want to look at is corporate reporting. Largely, corporate reporting is the same thing that you know about. So yes, we're going to have question 1, consolidated financial statement. It's still there. You're going to be having consolidation, dealing with complex group structure issues. So consolidation still valid. Yes, the accounting standards still here. And so really everything that you know in financial reporting is in the corporate reporting syllabus, and that is something that you really have to understand. So all the accounting standards, all the ethics issues, all the conceptual framework, all the consolidation issues that you know in financial reporting, we are just taking that and bringing it to corporate reporting. And so that is why the recommendation is going to be that you make sure you are writing financial reporting as one of your final papers in the level 2 to go to level 3, because this is one thing you must understand. If you write the financial reporting, let's say you are exempted, and so you have 4 papers to write in the level 2. And so you have public sector accounting and finance, financial management, then maybe financial reporting, and then management accounting. Now, if you write, say, financial reporting and public sector, and you come and write management accounting and financial management later, it's okay. But by the time you finish the management accounting and financial management, and now you come to level 3, what is going to happen is that you may struggle a little bit when it comes to the issues in respect of corporate reporting. And so really it will be appropriate for you to write the financial reporting just in the exam diet, so that the following exam diet you are preparing for corporate reporting, then you can take that fresh knowledge, leverage on it, and use it in the level 3. The same thing happens to principles of taxation. If you're not exempted from principles of taxation, then again, everything in the principles of taxation is valid for you in advanced taxation. And so you want to again write it up and then tailor yourself in a manner so that you can then come to level 3 and apply the knowledge there. And so really corporate reporting, we are not seeing any significant changes coming in corporate reporting. Everything you know in corporate reporting is still here. So issues about evaluation of the financial performance and position of the entity still available here. Cash flow analysis, common size analysis, traditional ratio analysis, business valuation, financial reconstruction, and corporate reorganization. All of these things are still there in corporate reporting, but the syllabus introduced some additional materials that we need to know about, like technology, focusing on issues like big data, data analytics, distributed ledger, and blockchain technology. So this is a written aspect that has been added to the syllabus, and also the concept of value creation and value creation process. Then lastly, integrated reporting. All of these are additional theory areas, current issues, current developments that have been included in the corporate reporting syllabus that you have to know about. So everything that has to be in corporate reporting is still in corporate reporting, but now we are having issues about technology, issues about integrated reporting, and issues about value creation that you need to know about. And that is the idea and what you must understand also when it comes to corporate reporting.